teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.2, 10th question. Alright, now let's read the question. So the question is, the 7th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So here we are supposed to find the common difference. Common difference means D. Okay, it is represented as D. Okay guys, so since you guys know we are supposed to find the common difference. So common difference we represent it as D. Okay, so here they mentioned that the 17th term. How are we supposed to write 17th term? So we are supposed to write it like this. So A17. Okay, so A17 is an term. So 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. What is the meaning of exceeds? So whenever you get a question like this, exceeds, okay, exceeds means we are supposed to add it, okay. So the meaning of exceed is adding, okay. So like how in word problems you might get difference. So difference means subtraction, and then if you have something like sum means we are supposed to add it, isn't it? Likewise we studied it in lower standards, isn't it? So like upstream, downstream, for that and all we have different signs, isn't it? So likewise here we have exceeds. So exceeds means plus, okay. Even now if you don't understand now, I'll just help you guys, okay. So here they mentioned that the 17th term is that is bigger than the 10th term. Of course that makes sense, right? So 17 is a greater number compared to 10, isn't it? So they just mentioned that. So the 17th term is bigger or more. You can use both the words, okay. So the 17th term is more than the 10th term, okay. So by 7, okay. So how can we write now? A17 is equal to A10. So we can write 10th term as A10, isn't it? So A10 plus by which one? 7, okay. So okay guys, so now let us understand this question properly, okay. So the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. What does it mean? So the 17th term is more than the 10th term. Of course you guys know in normal numbers what is the greatest number, 10 or 17? So the greatest number is 17. So that is the meaning of this statement, okay. So exceeds, I mean more than its 10th term by 7, okay. So if you find difficult in this word, that is exceed, just use more, then it will be much more better for you guys, okay. So so the difference between these two numbers, that is 17 and 10, it is by 7, okay. Of course when you just see numbers from 10 to 17, so in the, between these two numbers, after 7 numbers only we will get 17, isn't it? Why? Because 10 plus 7 is 17, isn't it? So so between these numbers we have gap, right? So when you just count it, so after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So if you just add 7 only, we will get 17. That's why they are mentioning that between these two numbers, in these gap, between these two numbers we have a gap, right? In that gap how many numbers are lying? 7 numbers. Why? Because 10 plus 7 is 17. That is what they mention in the question, okay. So it is by 7. That is the meaning of 7, okay. So you are supposed to find the common difference, that is D. How to find it? So now we know this, now we got a clue right over here. That is A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Of course you guys know 10 plus 7 is 17. So actually what I would like to say is, this thing it is not there in our textbook. I just explained it so that you can understand the question properly, okay. So never write this, okay. This is just for your explanation, okay. So just for understanding it properly only I just wrote this, okay. Please never write this, okay. So here so A17, that means the 17th term is more than the 10th term by 7, okay. So that is the meaning of it. Okay, so now what we can do, now we are supposed to find the common difference. How to find it? So here a 17, I can actually write a plus, before what is the previous number of 17? So the previous number is 16d, and then we can write is equal to as it is, and a10 I can write a plus, what is the previous number of 10? It is 9d, and then plus 7. Okay, so now here what we can do is, here we can get these two values to this side. Okay, so a plus 16d, so when I get a to this side, it is crossing this is equal to. Okay, so when it comes to this side, it changes into minus a, and plus 9d, now when it comes to this side, it changes into minus 9d. Let us keep the constant term separately right over here. Okay, so it's gonna be useful for us. Okay, all right. So now we can solve them. So here we have a, one second. So here we have a, and here we have minus a. We can cancel them, isn't it? Okay. So now here we have plus 16d and minus 9d. So plus and minus is minus. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay. So 7d is equal to 7. Okay. So now we can solve it. So I'll just solve here. I don't have space. Okay. Okay, so now d is equal to, when I get this 7 to this side, so here it is in multiplication. So when I get it to this side, it changes into division. So 7 divided by 7. Now we can cancel it. So cancel. Okay, so d is equal to, what is the d value? So the d is equal to 1. This is the common difference. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. Okay, it was really an easy question, just because of this single word, that is exceeds. No, you got confused, right? So guys, never get confused. Why? Because they mentioned the word exceed. So exceed is nothing but more. Okay, so more means like adding. So for examples, the 17th term is greater than the 10th term, so by 7. Okay, so we are supposed to find the common difference. So we are supposed to take the value like this. Okay, so the 17th term, we are supposed to write it as a17, and then is equal to, so more than its 10th term by 7. So here they mentioned more, right? That's why 10 plus 7. So a10 plus 7. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.